Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the clearest clip and trimming it to a short test range so tracking runs fast and clean. Open Capcut, import the clip, and set the project aspect ratio. This matters because scale shifts alter tracking. Once done, enable the grid and add 2-3 visible markers or high contrast points on screen to guide the tracker. These steps reduce drift and give the algorithm reliable reference points. Make sure to avoid motion blur and extreme zooms during the setup. You now run the tracker. Choose point for small objects or area for larger regions so the software knows what to follow. Increase search size slightly if it loses lock, and lower smoothing to preserve sharp motion. This trades stability for accuracy. Watch the tracking playhead and pause where drift appears. Add manual keyframes and nudge position, scale, or rotation to snap the element back. Once corrected, rerun tracking from the last good frame so the algorithm fills the rest without reintroducing error. You finish by baking the track into the clip and attaching your overlay, text, or effect so everything moves together. Render a short preview at final frame rate to confirm timing and to spot micro shifts. If you see consistent drift, mask out occlusions, reduce overlay complexity, or switch to manual keyframe tracking for the trouble segment, this helps when the tracker misreads repeated patterns. Lastly, save a version project so you can revert and try alternate settings without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.